Hey guys, it's Marco here, Fully Loaded Cars, and welcome back to our channel.
Episode 2 of the restoration for the FTO. Got some parts, it came a few days ago. I need to unpack. It came from, I think it was Scotland or something like that.
So big shout out to Gavo's Garage for helping us with these second-hand parts that he's managed to ship down. I think he's from Scotland. I'll have to check on that. I think he is, but he's up north somewhere. So yeah, big up. And if you need any parts for second-hand parts for FTOs, give him a look in. He's on Facebook, other social media sites. So yeah, thanks Gavo.
Cheers, mate.
New merch as well. We've got
Oh yeah.
new merch.
You know, it's got a new shirt and another one.
Dreams, nice.
Yeah, like this. It's black, so it's good for me.
Let me hide my bald head. There you go. I got my new merch on, my new beanies. Beanies are available on our shop. Go and check them out, please. Help support our channel. Help us grow. Much appreciated. And back to business. Where are we? And the last video, we had it all stripped out. Jamie paint stripped the whole car, got rid of all the paint, all the filler, and got it in primer. We let Ishmael run loose on it, and he worked on it for about a week, I think it was. Yeah, it worked on about a week, and then there's a flu going around. So unfortunately, Ishmael's been sick for the last week and a half. He's not himself. It's a hard job that he does, and he's got to be 100%. So yeah, he's resting up. Managed to remove most of the side, didn't he?
Yeah.
He removed the outer seal, the inner seal, and the front end. And it is a mess.
There's holes all in the floor and in a lot of other places as well. I mean, holes everywhere. It wasn't as bad as I thought, but then at the same time, I found holes where I didn't really expect it. Where especially on the wheel arch, where it was all the holes were hiding underneath all the undersill and stuff. And I was just, as I was grinding it all down to get rid of all the undersills, it would just be a hole coming out of nowhere, and I'm just like, oh, hello. It's just, where have you come from?
Yeah, well,
it's turning into that,
yeah. It's turned into, I can't help myself. I just love the helping sim restoration. Listen, we can't
do it half-assed.
No, with good faith, I just can't not do it. Even though we've agreed in a certain budget and what have you, and it's gonna cost us a lot more money. I just, in good faith, when you see the video, you'll see why. In good faith, I just can't just paint over that. We have to address them rust issues, because they're only going to come back. It's just going to reflect badly on us. So we're going to do it. It's going to be a bit more work. I don't know if we're going to meet the 3-month deadline with Ishmael being sick and the amount of work, but we're going to try, innit, Jamie? We're going to try. Even if I have to do some late nights and weekends, it's all going to depend on how quickly Ishmael can do his bit. So in here, there should be a wing, a petrol tank, a petrol filler pipe, the gearbox manual conversion, which we're replacing the auto box into a manual. So all the bits for that. I think there's a radiator in there, Aircon radiator and an Aircon pipe. He's given us a whole selection of bolts as well. So nice. Let's see if it's all there, Jamie.
Yeah. We've got a wing. Needed a new one because the other one was really rotten. It weren't great. So it was just to the point where just might as well get a second-hand one. A bit easier, less work, and just got to repaint it. And if there's rust like there is here, we can just sort that out. Yeah, so the other one, it was a lot worse than this. Yeah, we are. That's the, pretty sure it's the radiator in there, or the aircon. Looks like it's getting married with all this white stuff. That's what they usually put around cars, no? There's a clutch in there, yeah. I don't even know where to fucking lift it from. That's the problem, because it's going to be like that.
Yeah, we'll lift it. Jesus!
Yeah, it's not too bad, to be fair. Could be a lot worse.
Jamie. Hoi, happy Monday.
Happy Monday today, yeah. I got a car finally.
You got a car?
Yeah.
Oh man.
And it's what I want. It's a little bit loud, and there's a lot of turbo noises, but it's great.
It's great, yeah, I like it. You chose a nice colour.
Yeah, it's a really nice colour.
What is it? What colour is it?
It's like a satin grey. It's almost like a frozen colour, you know the BMW frozen colours?
Yeah.
It's like that.
I like it. I really like it, actually.
Yeah, it's really nice.
I don't like the big exhaust on it, but I'm a bit old for all of that big noise. driving about every day, and but yeah, I love it. Got a big brake kit on it and everything.
Yeah, oh, it's great. 18-inch wheels on it.
180 brake.
It's about 170 something.
170.
Yeah, something like that. Around there. It's great. I love it, and it pulls really nice. I've got little paddles as well.
Oh,
I was looking for a manual, but I couldn't find a manual, so I just had to settle with it.
Well done, Jamie. Well done.
Thank you.
So the first thing you're going to do the timing belt, right?
Yeah, timing belt and a rocker cover because it's leaking a little bit. It's
And maybe an engine mounting.
Yeah, and maybe an engine mount as well. Yeah, but it's okay.
It's okay.
Nothing can't sort out.
Okay, so we're on week 3 on the FTO. Oh, that's a nice. Yeah, so Jamie.
It's getting there.
Yeah.
Try and get all this filler off so you can all redo it all and all the rust out of it, and then.
Yeah, loads of rust on there.
Yeah.
That Ishmael will have to replace that wheel large completely.
Yeah. Yeah, it's got a hole in the back.
Yeah, they get rotten all the down here. So Ishmael will have to replace all of that. So nothing we can't do.
Yeah.
That's right. That's what you're going to be doing today, Jamie.
It's almost there.
Almost there.
A little bit more, and it should be good.
Yeah, a bit more.
Yeah.
I think you should put another layer on there.
Yeah. It's covered.
Yeah.
Very good.
Looking good. All right. So while you do that, Hatchie's going to be looking after you. Hatchie's he's in a good mood at the moment. Give him another 3 hours, he'll want to go home. Soon he'll be barking at everyone. So I will be back on the TVR. That first layer that we put on Friday has now set properly, and I'm going to go ahead and put the second coat and just strengthening up these wings so we can get the car, get the body onto the chassis so we can start doing the front suspension.
Friends want to feature now, they don't work so they need it free. Ooh, you reaching now from the west side of that old town, but there's no show, so I go down to the open mic, show love to the real ones that know now. Some of y'all don't know now. In a couple months you gonna find out. Been blowing up from the underground and they stepping on and land mine now. And he knows it's my time now. Coming up, I'm on a climb now. Everybody claim they been balling, but it's looking like.
Happy Wednesday, Jamie.
Happy Wednesday.
What's going on? Tell me.
So, DA grinded down the whole body. Well, pretty much most of the body, just apart from like the edges like here, which I'm gonna do. The rest of the paint that might have been on there and any sort of primer, filler, all that sort of stuff. I got everything off and I've just put some primer on it just to stop it from rusting. But it's not like I didn't spray it on or anything like that.
Just brush it on.
Just quick brush on. This is just to like prevent it from rusting. We're going to take it all off like when it comes to everything. Go around all the edges.
Yeah.
And then do the front end as well and get that all ready as well.
No, that's just pretty good. Since Monday, it's taken you a couple of days. Did you find a lot of rust underneath all of that, or?
Yeah.
There's loads of surface rust. Yeah. Looking good. Well done, Jamie.
I mean, the whole rear end was orange.
Yeah, I noticed that in the first video. The other video we did on Monday, I noticed that. No, it's looking a lot better now. Yeah, all ready for when Ishmael comes back next week. Ishmael's left us some instructions last night.
Oh yeah.
He wants us to remove this panel here.
Right.
And yeah, spot welds are there. I don't know, it might be easier to do it from the inside. If you just get the wire brush and the light, it might be easier to do it from this side actually. Because the spot welds on that side correspond with the engine mounting. So I'm not sure if they're going to be the same one. So probably you're probably better off just drilling from this side. Yeah. And at the same time, it's going to be better for us to weld it back up. Okay. Because we can just weld it on this side, and then as long as the welds are good, we don't have to clean them up or anything. So, and then we're going to clean all of that. All of the rust that from in there, and Ishmael said he might remove this one afterwards, but he wants to leave that to him.
Hey day. That's right, I'm coming back like OJ, like a running back in his old days. Still rocking those OJs. My paychecks get a little bigger, but that don't change me or make me richer. Money come and the money go, but my guy's here and he's staying with you. Blowing up off the internet. All these haters need to introspect, cause they been hating.
You see where the joint is here? We might, Ishmael's probably, he's going to cut it there, so drill it all all along here, like that.
Yeah.
Come down this side here,
Yeah.
go down here. Then we'll have to get the L drill for them,
that
yeah?
one, yeah.
Okay, be careful, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't drill into your arm.
I need to get a pen. that's what he did.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, straight through, yeah. I was drilling, and I was holding this, I was holding the panel here, and I was drilling like this. And the drill slipped, and it's 1 in a million. It's gone like this, and it's gone straight through my wrist. And when I pulled it out, there was like blood gushing everywhere.
And then
like,
you almost died in the hospital. So they left you there, and you're bleeding out.
Yeah, I bled out in hospital.
It was fucking waiting.
Yeah, the hole was a 10 millimeter. It was a 10 millimeter. No, it was an 8 millimeter hole, and it was a perfect hole because when I pulled it out, ligaments and everything come out on the drill bit, and so put a tourniquet on my arm because there was blood literally gushing everywhere, and yeah, we went to the emergency ward and I showed it to them. They put me in a little compartment, closed the curtain. Next thing I know, they're waking me up. Like now, and I was just, there's like blood everywhere. Yeah, be careful, Jamie, yeah. No pressure, yeah.
Pressure makes diamonds.
Pressure makes diamonds, that's it. Yeah, he's drilled them all out. He's done the hard work for me. And I'm just doing the awkward. There's some of them where the rust is. You can't really see them. So you've got to kind of use the chisel to find out where they are. Nowhere for the water to go, so once water gets in there, there's like a little tiny hole for like a drainage thing, but as soon as it gets a little bit blocked, that's it, it's done. I said the trick with this is to take it off when you're removing the panel. You keep the same shape, so when you put it back, it's not too deformed, or it's very easy to take it off without a care. It's, you know. Either side to knock it off. But here I can only go from one direction, so if you just miss the weld by a little bit, hanging on for dear life, the fucker is. And done all of that. Just got to do this side here, then the bottom, and then the brazing, and then I'll polish them all over. So the two panels, they kind of overlap. So one sits on top of the other and then they get brazed. If you cut it, you'll lose that. So either Ishmael's going to heat it up or he'll cut it somewhere. But if he cuts it along the brazing, he'll lose it. He'll have to make another lip for it, you know. But if he heats it up, it might distort the panel too much. So it all depends what kind of mood he's in. If he wants a quick job or a slow job. We found a lot more work than originally was planned for. So if Ishmael doesn't have to go back before he does all the bodywork, I can work day and night and get it done. But if he goes back, there'll be no chance. Baba, your job.
Yeah.
Here, how you cut it here.
Middle.
How you take it off, you do it. Not me and Connor, you do it. Me and Connor watch you do it. You cut it or you brace it or you do fire job. I'll tell you, yeah. I cut here, I cut there. Wax on, wax off.
like his exit. Just come and does it, and he's just.
Well, I think there's something here. Feels like there's something around here. Yeah, that's right. No, it's not too bad. It's just around here. Because if you look from the inside, that section there is all gone as well. Yeah, water gets trapped there, water gets trapped here, comes down here.
A little bit of rust here, a little bit of surface rust. It's not too bad.
Finish tomorrow, this one?
Ready for paint?
Easy for you now to fix it.
Yeah. But how easy? Already inside, rust.
Yeah.
How? Maybe off this one is, art as well, again.
Well, this one?
Yeah. You know what, Baba? First I fixed this one, is it?
Yeah.
After let me see this,
How you fix that one?
Yeah, I look in the dictionary, right?
Bits and pieces like this.
Yeah, like this.
Because take everything off, it's too much.
No, it's off the top, not off. On the top, is best one.
Yeah.
To fix anything.
You keep the same shape.
Yeah.
Dodgy MOT patches from the rust.
That's the main thing. Yeah. That's the main thing. It's the safety aspect of it. It's not so much cosmetic. It's like the chassis all been, as Jamie's taken off all the seam seal and years of stone chip that's been laid on there to pass it for MOT. We'll just keep finding patches, and literally the chassis legs made that of patches, not. So unfortunately yesterday Ishmael told me before I went home. He waited until I was going home to tell me that he's going to remove the complete chassis leg and make a new one. Yeah, unfortunately it's a lot more. It's a lot of teabag this car, isn't it?
Yeah.
But we kind of knew that before it come in. A teabag full of holes. But Bubba will put it right,
Yeah.
In the last video, it was a Flintstones car and there was no floor, so he's patched up the floor. He's reinforced. He's made all of this section here, and it's all been reinforced, so it's thicker gauge. The jacking point here as well, he's made all of that because that was just completely disintegrated. In here, if it's not OEM, the wing will have problems bolting the wing on. Well, there's other ways around that, but if you want it to be OEM, it's got to be. A lot of measuring and fiddling, and so he's done that. He's just now on the inner rear tub, which is here. That's what the petrol filler cap goes onto. Yeah, that's what you can't see from underneath. That's why we ended up having to take the wing off last time, because this is just with the wing in place, it would just be impossible to do it. Get this right. And this is the other bit of it. This bit goes on like so, like that. So that is a new section that he's making to go onto there. This is all handmade.
Yeah.
And with all the recesses and all the divots, and he makes them exactly the same. So it'll be an exact copy to the original one. Man's a genius.
Yeah, literally is.
He's a genius. No, before anyone asked, the 3 months that we had planned, no, it's not going to happen. We might have 3 months just in bodywork alone, so yeah, go ahead and comment. Jamie, it's that time in the video again. Thanks for watching.
See you guys later. Please subscribe or I'll find where you live.
Yeah, I'm going to send Jamie around. Yeah, if you don't subscribe, comment and share. And episode 3 coming soon. See you in the next one, guys.
Yeah.